And thanks for taking the time to come and watch this video. I hope at the end of it you'll reach out to us and come and find out more about the Uboss portal. At Uboss we're used to BroadSoft platform owners reaching out to us to talk to us about BroadSoft provisioning and customer portals in the main. But through our discussions they discover that there's so much more opportunity through using the Uboss portal. Uboss in summary is a multi-level, multi-product, multi-vendor cloud management platform, and it's now distributed as far and wide as Canada all the way down to Australia. The key principle that we put into the design of Uboss is that everything that we provide through to the customers is going to be based on a business, on a site and a user level. But Uboss is accessible at many different levels. We start off with the platform owner level. We then have two white labeled wholesale partner levels, distributor and reseller, giving you two steps to the market if that's what you choose to do. And on each of those, the suppliers, your partners, can add different products, different services, change pricing rules, and also change the branding. There is then access from the business level, the site level, and the user level, meaning this is one portal covering the complete supply chain through to the end user customers. Within this portal then, you can not only deliver the core BroadSoft Webex products, but you can also allow the real-time deployment of other revenue-bearing products, be that in the mobility category, contact center, or any third-party service that you want to bring in. This means there's ultimate flexibility in growing that revenue over time in partnership with your customer. So if we summarize the way that Uboss is built up, we start with this core of having real-time deployment, commercial rule control, customer self-service, and a flexible toolkit at the heart of it. This then allows us to control those key deployments of BroadSoft and Webex products, adding call recording products or analytics products, either from third parties or from Uboss itself, and then plugging in some of those best-in-class services which you might already be using from a Kixi, from Carcapo, from Mondago, or even the dedicated HPBX SIM cards that you might be integrating into your proposition. The cornerstones then come in as fraud management, so the management and protection of dial-through fraud, that wholesale partner structure allowing distributors and resellers to be included in your go-to-market, NOC tools to allow your support teams to not only provision and manage those services but to track and control their performance, and finally an integrated billing solution, meaning you can go end-to-end on the management of your whole portfolio within one pane of glass. Let's just take a little look around the portal, have a first dip at seeing what it does and what it looks like, but do reach out to us at the end and come and see us and have a longer look at the functionality and performance capabilities that has made this portal unique in the marketplace for BroadSoft players. Building a business is as simple as following a wizard to enter the details that you'd commonly put into the BroadWorks itself. But it also allows you to open that up and put in device information, maybe business hours, so that they're all pre-prepared and ready to go. And once the business and the users and the services are all set up, you'll have access to a huge range of analytics and reports that helps your customer to understand their usage of the proposition. Next, let's take a quick look at how easy it is to build a new package. Let's start to construct a package, and we're going to make the core of this package services perhaps the same as the business line. But then you see I've got a very easy system for adding additional services, be they applications from third-party people like a Kixi and Mondago, or further BroadWorks services from the list. But by simply clustering them together, it makes them simple to deploy. And device ordering is easy as well. All the devices are stored within the system, and it's simply a matter of selecting and allocating them and sending that order to a fulfillment house for their delivery. And finally, let's look at ordering and adding new products and services to a user's service list. It's as simple as going into the user's own page, scrolling down and selecting a product that you might want. By hovering over, you get the tariff price. By clicking into it, you get the contract rule. And simply by saving that, it adds them to their services. And that's Uboss in a nutshell. Full automation, simplicity for you as a supplier and the customer.